Thanks for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience. In today's video, we're going to take a look at all the construction going on at Epcot. But before we get started, please make sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So Epcot is going to go through a multi-year expansion and renovation of the park. This will include a new entry area at the front gate. Along with these changes to the front gate area, Future World will receive significant upgrades throughout the area, including changes to many of the pavilions. Headlining the changes to some of the pavilions will include a change to the Universe of Energy, which will become the Guardians of the Galaxy indoor roller coaster, which will open in 2021 in time for Disney's 50th anniversary celebration of Walt Disney World. Another major change to one of the pavilions is for the old Wonders of Life. This building will become a new play pavilion that will open in time for the 2021 season as well. Another major addition to the Future World area will be at the Mission Space Pavilion. Opening in late 2019 will be a new space-themed restaurant. World Showcase is also getting into the action with several new additions and changes on the way, including a new barbecue restaurant at the American Adventure. Another major addition that is coming to the Epcot area is the new Disney Skyliner Gondola system, which will open on September the 29th of 2019. This will connect the Epcot area to Disney's Hollywood Studios theme park, as well as several of Walt Disney World's resorts. Another major change that is coming to Epcot is the closure of Epcot's Illuminations Reflections of Earth nighttime show on September the 30th of 2019. This show will receive a temporary replacement on October the 1st of 2019 called Epcot Forever. Probably the biggest addition currently slated to open at the World Showcase area is the new Remy's Ratatouille Adventure dark ride in the France Pavilion, which will open in 2020. Along with the new Remy's dark ride, the France Pavilion will also receive a new creperie restaurant that is slated to open in 2020. Finally, the O Canada show that was located in the Canadian Pavilion has went down, and a new show will replace it sometime in 2020 or early 2021. So that includes our roundup of all the changes and additions that are currently underway at Epcot. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us here at Orlando Experience as we bring you all the changes that are taking place throughout the Orlando area and all the theme parks.